and good afternoon. My name is Muhammad Nash Isaac bin Muhammad Najib. Number matrix is 08DEP22F1043. So today I'm going to explain about procedure to calibrate oscilloscope. The first step, ensure the oscilloscope. First tip, right? Before we start, the tip: ensure the oscilloscope is in a stable environment, free from vibration and temperature extreme. As you can see, oscilloscope on a very stable environment. Okay, and then second tip: visually inspect the oscilloscope. Inspect the oscilloscope if it's okay or not. As you can see, it's okay and not the glasses not break or something. And inspect the probe. Inspect the probe also. As you can see, the probe is working properly. And cable as you can see, cable is also working properly for any set of image. So the first step is the power button on the oscilloscope is turned on. As you can see, it's turning on now, and then we wait for the interface to come. Alright. Second, the time slash division is set to 1 ms by turning the dial one notch at a time. So we set it on 1 ms. As you can see, 1 ms. The third one is the voltage slash divider control is adjusted by turning the dial, is adjusted by turning the dial one notch at a time. So we dial at the lowest voltage that you can have, which is 1 voltage. And fourth, the trigger switch is changed to auto. As you can see, the trigger switch is now is NTV, so we switch to auto. As you can see, to auto. And next, the oscilloscope is linked to the input signal. So this oscilloscope we put here. As you can see, put here, and then we get the input signal, which is this is the input signal. Also, the probe is attached to the oscilloscope calibration terminal, which is this. We use channel 2 because channel 1 I don't know, maybe it's broke, but channel 2 is good, so we proceed to using channel 2. And also, the waveform is modified if the square wave display doesn't fit well within the screen. But right now, as you can see, the wave is like a bit broken, so we switch up to 5 voltage and we modified it, and then it became like this. So we switch a bit, and then it became like this. So that's all the explanation about procedure to calibrate the oscilloscope. So thank you very much.